Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Nice to be here again. I'm Monica, as you know already, or many of you. I'm here with another unboxing, and this time is the Bomibox for February. I completely forgot about this box because usually they send me an email when they ship the box, but this time they didn't send me anything. I just got the box today. Last month I got the box and the bag in the same time. It seems like this month I just got the bag today, which is the 28th. The box looks like this, and probably in one of the next days I will get the bag also. So let's go ahead and see what's in the February box. I like the color. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and this one looks really nice with purple and blue. And also the same print on the card, and I do like the fact that it comes with the card because there is no way to learn Korean. So it says here, nothing will work unless you do. That's true. It's Maya Angelou, if I'm saying right, from Bomibox. And on the back we have here the products which are in this month box. Of course, those lovely purple. And let's see what's in here. As far as I see, we have some full-size items as usual, and here is the box inside. It looks to me like it's a good one this month. Usually they are, but especially this month because I saw a product from the first one is from HEIMISH. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Is this full size pH 5.5, and this one is all clean. It's not HEIMISH. I'm wrong. No, it's HEIMISH. It's late. It's about 1 o'clock in the night. So yeah, this is all clean green foam from HEIMISH. It's a cleanser, and also full size, which is not bad at all. If I'm right, I got another cleanser from HEIMISH in the Genie Beauty box, but HEIMISH is a great brand, so I'm not upset at all. Then the second item in here, it's another full size item, which is quite big and looks like this. I'll let you to read the name of this because for sure I'm gonna say who knows what. It's PYUNKANG, whatever, Yule Butter Cream. It's a multi-purpose rich and creamy moisturizer that forms an oil barrier, helping skin retain moisture. Can be used as last step on your face or body. So it looks like this. It's a full size. And the next one, I keep looking at the expiration date. I got that problem. So this one is a water-based cleanser, and this one can be used as a second step cleanser. Then the third item in here, it's still from HEIMISH. It's DAILISM SMUDGE Stop Mascara. And let's see how this one looks. The packaging is really cute. It's this rose gold, and this is called DAILISM, if I'm saying that right. So we have a makeup item, which is a full size also, and the one looks really interesting if you see the shape of this. We'll try this. So this was the third item in here, and again from the same PYUNKANG Yule, we have an essence soap. This guy looks like this. I remember we got some toners also in the Bomibox, and look at this color, guys. So this is an essence soap, contains green bamboo to gently wash away waste both sides and outside the skin. Vitamin E leaves skin healthy, while coconut oil moisturizes the skin, leaving it clear and smooth. So can be used on your face too. I love the color of this. I don't know how is the soap, but the color is gorgeous. Then we have HUXLEY Moroccan Gardener Body Oil Mini, which looks like this. HUXLEY, whatever how you pronounce it, it's another brand that comes often in Bomibox subscription. And this one says, pamper your senses with your own home spa deluxe bath treatment routine. This nourishing body oil is lightweight and leaves the skin soft. I have to smell it. Soft, smooth, and refreshing. Apply to damp skin directly after bathing or showering. So let's see how this one feels on the skin. It's very watery. It doesn't feel like a heavy oil. And smells really nice. You can see it here. I don't think you can see it, but anyway, it feels nice. I want to see how this one absorbs in the skin. I love this one. It's already gone. It seems like my skin is so thirsty, but it smells so nice. I would like a full size of this. It's really nice. So let's see what else we have in here. Looks like I have 3 more items. And the next one is Panda's Dream. And this is eye patch. It contains a pair. Looks like this. Delicious. And then the next one, and this one was from MOLY, the eye patch. And the last 2 items in here, we have, of course, as usual, the 2 face masks, and one of them is from Natural Friend Moisture NANOCELL mask. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at this gold. Sometimes I like more the packaging than the product itself. So I do like products that come in a very nice packaging. And the last one is from ELIZAVECCA Milk Piggy 24 karat gold. And this one is water dual snail. And this one looks like this. So really pretty. As I said, very nice packaging. So far this is all in the Bomibox for the month of February. I am really happy with the product. So far, at least 5 of them are full sizes. It's the HEIMISH All Clean Green Foam Cleanser, a huge size. Then is this PYUNKANG butter cream for face or body. We'll see how I'm gonna like to use that for face or for body. The next thing in here is this HEIMISH full size mascara, which has a very interesting wand, sorry. The wand is different than I saw in another mascaras. So then the next item in here is this soap, which I think it's a full size also, still from PYUNKANG Yol, if I'm saying right, but I have to say that I love this color. Look at this. So those 2 so far are my favorite colors, the blue and the purple, just saying. And then we have this lovely oil. I hope I will get this also in the Bami bag, I hope, because I really like this. Smells amazing, leave skin so soft and silky, and it's completely gone. It doesn't feel greasy or really nice. I would like to buy one of these. I'm gonna check their sites to see how much is one of that. And then we have two face masks. One is from ELIZAVECCA and the other one is from Natural Friend. And the last thing here is the eye patch. So far it's a lovely box in my opinion. I love the box. I like it. I can't wait to see what's in the bummy bag. If you got the bummy bag, let me know what's in that one. So as I said, I hope to get the oil. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'm gonna see you probably today because it's already after 12 a.m. and I'm gonna see you soon with the empties for the month of February, and of course to announce the giveaway for the winner for the giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.